Welcome back to All Things DFW, where we explore what it's really like to live, work, and play across North Texas, the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. I'm Matthew Soto, and this is episode 3 of our Garland series. In our first 2 episodes, we explored Garland's neighborhoods and its growing business scene downtown and in Firewheel Town Center. But today, we're going outside to explore the parks, trails, and recreation that make Garland one of the most active and family-friendly cities in the Metroplex. Garland's parks and recreation system covers over 2,800 acres of green space with 60-plus parks, 6 recreation centers, and 4 aquatic facilities. Whether you're into hiking, sports, or just finding a quiet place to recharge, Garland gives you space to do it all. Let's start with one of Garland's most scenic spots, Windsurf Bay Park on Lake Ray Hubbard. It's peaceful, breezy, and full of open views of the water. Locals come here for picnics, fishing, and those picture-perfect Texas sunsets. And the best part, it's free and open to the public right inside city limits. Next up, Audubon Park, one of Garland's busiest community hubs. It's home to baseball fields, open trails, playgrounds, and the city's famous, soon-to-be renovated Surf and Swim Water Park, which is currently under renovation and expected to reopen soon with a fresh, modern update. Once it's back, families will gain and again have one of the best affordable water parks in DFW, right here in Garland, Texas. Over at Holford Park, you'll find wide open fields, shaded areas for cookouts, and plenty of space for youth sports. It's one of those parks that always has something going on, from weekend soccer games to family picnics and community events. Now, Crowley Park, sitting on the edge of Richardson and Garland, is another local favorite. It's clean, open, and great for runners, families, and morning walkers. You'll find paved trails, creeks, and plenty of trees for that peaceful escape feeling. And then there's Spring Creek Forest Preserve, Garland's hidden gem. This protected area spans over 100 acres of ancient hardwood forest, wildflowers, and shaded trails. It's a true nature preserve, home to rare plant species and some of the oldest trees in North Texas. If you like and want to hike, unwind, or just disconnect from the city for a bit, this is where you go. Beyond the parks, Garland's recreation centers keep the community active year-round with fitness programs, senior activities, after-school programs, and sports leagues for every age. And it doesn't stop there. Garland's Parks and Rec hosts events all year long, from movies in the park, sounds of summer concerts, to holiday festivals and farmers markets. It's that mix of outdoor fun and community spirit that gives Garland its heartbeat. So, whether you're hiking the trails at Spring Creek, cooling off at Surf and Swim, or catching a concert under the stars at Town Square, Garland's Parks and Recreation System make it easy to live life outdoors. Because here, it's not just about where you live, it's about how you enjoy it. I'm Matthew Soto, and this is All Things DFW, Garland, Texas series. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend, and comment what's your favorite park or recreation activity for the outdoors. See you in the next episode.